However, this video isn't to promote calorie counting. This video isn't me telling you to download a silly app. This isn't me teaching you how to track macros. This video isn't me saying that counting calories is wrong. This is my opinion, my story. This is why I don't count calories anymore.
Gave it a minute, I had to retreat, but I'm ready to get more. I got some money, some bitches that love me, but I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta.
You wanna do it with me?
Calories in equals calories out. This equation ruined my life.
What?
Because when I was 10 years old and typing into Google, how to lose weight, and I read that you just have to eat less calories than your body needs. Eat fries, then go on a run, stop eating, restrict a little, cut foods out, exercise more. These are the 10 forbidden foods you can never eat. Eat this, not that. You're not allowed to enjoy food, to be beautiful, to be popular, to be loved. When you're 10 and download MyFitnessPal and start logging in every single bite and meal, the numbers don't really mean anything to you. You just know how much you can and cannot eat, but they add up. You start thinking things like, I have to save my calories so I can eat dinner today. I have to work out a little bit more today because I'm going out to eat. I'll skip the party because I already ate too much. I'll skip the cake too to lose some weight. Darn, I ate 100 calories over my goal. I failed, I'm fat, I'm not worthy, I'm not skinny, I'm ashamed of my body, I have no self-control. It wasn't about counting calories anymore. It was about counting my worth.
You bet. Wow. I'll weigh it.
Just another disclaimer, I never use a scale or count my calories, so I kind of suck at using the scale, and measuring food confuses me, but I'm honestly trying my best, okay? So please forgive me if I make a mistake.
This is so annoying.
And don't get me wrong, some people enjoy the process of logging and calculating and counting everything they eat and do. It works for them. If you enjoy it, honestly, that's all that matters. And I do think there's value in understanding generally what we're consuming and knowing what nutrients are in food so you can give your body what it needs. But there's a fine line between counting and obsessing. But for me, the more and more I tracked, it was like the more and more I would lose myself. So how much am I supposed to eat? Every app and website tells you something different. But I didn't care what that number was or what it meant. My worst fear was just having those green numbers turn red. You failed today, Linda. Do better. You're gonna gain weight, Linda. You better restrict tomorrow. You have no respect for your body. How is anyone going to like you? And then we always get those reminders at the end of the day. If you keep eating like this, Linda, you're gonna gain 20 pounds in 5 weeks.
That's good.
You don't want that, do you? The longer I counted, the more it consumed my mind, and the more my mind lied to me. The worst part is I thought this is what healthy meant. Being miserable, being hungry, being tired, not being able to eat what I wanted. I was so proud that I was miserable. I'm finally living a healthy life, I thought. What am I gonna eat next? Which one has less calories? No snack today because I ate too much breakfast. Oh no, how much can I eat to stay under? Every minute of every day, my mind was focused on my next meal, my last meal, what I could or could not eat, adding foods onto my no-eat list. My mind was exhausted. My body was exhausted. It's exhausting recording everything, tracking my gum, half a bite of cookie, estimating and overestimating.
Sweat is real.
Eventually, I just wanted to be free from numbers and math and calories and just eat. But at the same time, I was so scared to do that, to trust myself, to actually fuel my body, afraid to accidentally lose control, to gain all the weight back. All this misery would have been for nothing, I thought.
Like slimming and booty exercise time. Kill is not that good. Squeeze your butt. Yeah. Squeeze it really tight. Love the burn. Oh my. Oh no. My bladder is gonna explode. Hi, you're literally sitting on the couch. What did you rate that workout?
I still like the feeling after the Chloe Ting workout.
Chloe Ting fan. What's your secret? Marty doesn't know what abs are. He lives a very active lifestyle before he broke his Achilles, but he still has abs. Just skinny, I think. He eats healthy. He has diabetes, but he has abs. Can I have more? Can you help me cut it?
I mean, I think every person has calorie counted before, whether it be for weight loss purposes, to live a healthier lifestyle, for a high school gym class. It's important to know that yes, calories exist. They matter to some degree and they provide us with enough energy to live and be happy and see the world. So isn't it kind of ironic that they can do the exact opposite too? They took away years of my life, the best memories that I'll never be able to get back, so many delicious meals and family vacations.
So annoying, but so beautiful. Oh my god, do we see how beautiful
It was a relationship that went from love to hate to toxic all too fast.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Isn't it so good?
And we're back to that equation, calories in versus calories out. In magazines, on YouTube, and health class, this is what they all said weight loss comes down to, but it is so much more than just that. Exercise, how you sleep, how stressed you are, health issues that you may not be able to control, hormonal changes. So they're wrong. It's not that simple. And that equation doesn't just lead to weight change, it changes your mood, your energy, your happiness, your self-worth. It takes time away. It takes away experiences and fun. It takes away your ability to listen to your hunger, the joys of food. And for me, it took too much of my life away.
Lily, Sabri.
My brothers, one day we gon' make it.
I didn't know that I needed to consume enough calories to just live, survive, lay in bed, sleep. I thought I constantly had to be moving, running, walking to burn the calories I ate.
The shrimp is so good. Really good.
I didn't know that my heart needed fuel, that my muscles were deteriorating. I didn't know that that was the reason why I was always cold and tired and lifeless. So I guess the equation doesn't really tell you the truth.
Oh my god. If we get each other. It's like hard to find someone that like understands you. Like I don't have to say anything and like knows what I mean.
Calorie counters. They don't know who you are. With a few numbers, they believe they can control you and tell you what you can and cannot eat. They don't know that I'm extra hungry today because I had an amazing workout. They don't know that I'm extra hungry just because I am. They don't know that I'm freaking stressed and just want a pint of ice cream. Do they know that sometimes during the month I just need a few pounds of chocolate? Do they really know what's going on inside?
Workout time!
No, they don't. They don't know who I am. They don't know what I need day to day, so why do I let them control me when they don't even know me?
Keep going! What? Oh my! Wow, Mom!
She's sweet with sour moves. I need another double. She got she's sweet with sour moves. I guess she's all I'm after. Take a flight and sweet the night.
Got some curry chicken. Oh, this looks so good. Holy, I love curry.
And I can get enough. If you could understand.
Got a new waffle maker.
If any of you are pro waffle makers, please tell me how you do it.
Oh no. Oh no. It's supposed to be making this noise. Oh my god, why is it making this noise? That didn't work. Bro, I'm sad. What the frick is this? Bro, beautiful waffles. Sugar-free syrup. I just wanted to try and see if it tasted good. It's pretty good. Sugar-free syrup is good. No wonder it's so expensive. My mom succeeded. It's burnt though.
Is based on who you are as a person, how you treat others, how you treat yourself, not by the number on a scale. Picture of a fish up here because I think scales, where they fit in life, is on fish. And on that note, I wish you a very great rest of your day. And
Am I even hungry? Yes, I think so. Actually, I don't even know anymore. Trust issues. It's hard to trust. I don't trust anyone except my mom and my body. But before, I thought I could outsmart my body. I thought I could fight her, deprive her, go against everything she was telling me. I tortured her, pushed her too hard because I didn't care how she felt. I thought she was trying to sabotage me, my progress, my weight loss.
I like it. I didn't weigh it. Guesstimate how much that was. What is that?
I realized I need to be a better listener, to give my body a little bit more attention. She's always telling me things, like when I've deprived her of sleep, when I stuffed myself with too many pancakes, when I've had a freaking amazing sweat sesh, or when I've pushed her a little bit too hard. But every day is gonna be a little bit different. You're gonna need different amounts of food, crave different foods, get sick of some foods, but you see, you don't have to worry, because your body knows best. You guys already know I'm a food lover, but at one point, I hated it. Food also hated me. I hated what food did to me. It made me feel guilty and tired, and there was too many rules. I couldn't follow all the rules. I couldn't keep up with all the rules. There was no more joy in eating. I was no longer eating food, I was just eating calories. To be honest, I didn't want to eat, but at the same time, it's all I wanted. I spent hours and hours looking at pictures and videos of food and people eating and what I eat in a week, like my own. Seeing people restrict, seeing people overeat, seeing other people eat so I wouldn't have to eat myself. It was like I was watching other people live my dream. And that is not why I do what I do. I do what I do because I want to show people that they can love food and their bodies at the same time. That happiness comes from more than just a restrictive life. That they don't have to just watch me eat pancakes to feel full. They can eat pancakes themselves. You can eat. And I know you don't believe it because I definitely didn't. Holy. And I thought to myself, they just have fast metabolisms. They're naturally skinny. I could never eat like them. I could never look like that. And it's true. You can't eat like them and look like them. If I ate like you, I wouldn't look like you either. But you shouldn't eat for someone else's body. You should eat to take care of your own. Anyways, I know I eat a lot of the same foods every day, aka I eat pancakes literally every day. But I thought it was interesting to see that even my pancakes varied in calories. Even though I didn't change the recipe, it just shows that it's okay to eat a little bit more, a little bit less on certain days. A few calories really won't hurt you, I promise.
Oh my god, are you doing real push-ups? Yeah!
Tell me what you won't say when it's all in the yesterdays. So we beat our boats away. That's the current. Won't ceaselessly in a wild mistake.
Oh, that's so good.
Let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. Conversations, they don't last. When you see me like a looking glass, it's hardly in the way we talk, it's in the way we lose.
YouTube has changed my perspective on like life and like school. So good. YouTube has made me like more confident. No, like I still am like that. I am more than just like what I look like. You know how I used to be like I don't know what I want to do with my life? Because I only thought the options were business or doctor. YouTube has made me see like this is what I want to do. I wanted to be someone that like could have helped me. I really see life differently now. Things that used to bother me don't bother me anymore. I've grown up so much, like mentally. Now I still have to grow up. I'm still really immature in a lot of ways. Like mentally, like I'm okay now. I'm also like happy with like who I am. We got the bubble tea! Are you excited? Yeah. I'm not even drinking the bubble tea. I don't know why you're excited. You want to be featured in my YouTube video? Hello! Claire! It's 5 years! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Yay! So Linda, is it worth not being able to enjoy the taste of foods? Is it worth being anxious before going out to eat? Is it worth being tired and hungry and cold? And sometimes, I would say yes. I want to re-download the app, I want to track and lose weight and be in control, but then I remember all the things that counting calories took away from me. It wasn't just weight, it was my life. Who's your boyfriend? None.
So when I want to go back to old habits, I stop and I see that I love this life where I'm in control and the numbers don't control me.
It's a bait.
Are you telling me what? Okay, wait. Camera off. Okay. Okay. After you were like, well, you didn't call me. I was like, okay, like this is cool. A beef dip? I need to put my hair up for this. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, nice.
Oh my god. So like tenders so much.
Linda's passionate about pancakes.
Yeah.
My pancakes would be off the chart every week.
Yeah, maybe you guys should make a channel.
Yeah, how my best friend's dad makes pancakes.
Mom,
my computer didn't download everything I needed, so I did a whole assignment that took me 6 hours, and then I did it wrong and I need to redo it. Just unnecessary problems. Who's hitting you up today?
It's hitting me up today. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh my god.
I feel like it might be burnt.
Oh no.
Let's get them off, quick.
Oh. Sorry, little man. Yeah, no, they're perfect.
You think so?
You're perfect.
They're perfect.
You're perfect. So excited. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Roxy, say hi to the camera.
No. Oh, it smells good. I don't know if I want to smell the inside. It smells like dishwasher. It wasn't clean. Why am I smelling this again?
Oh, hi. I know what we need. This is my life right now. Oh, that's Play Holy by Chance the Rapper and Justin Bieber. No, I love him. I just want him to marry me. Holy he never does.
So, I took away the limits, the guilt, the rules. Numbers no longer dictate whether I have a good or bad day. Now I choose whether I have a good or bad day. I gained back so much time. I no longer schedule my day around calories and food, and I could just live. I can see friends and drink bubble tea without stressing about macros. I can now eat for fullness, for energy, for nutrients, for my body, for muscles, for all those burpees, my love for peanut butter and ice cream and donuts and pizza, and for health, because yes, health sometimes means getting in those greens and getting enough protein, but other times, health means going out with friends and eating 15 cookies just for fun, because there's more to health than just the food that enters your body.
Bye, man. I'll see you.
My life is so much better now. When I work out, it's not for redemption, it's not for punishment, it's not because I ate too many cookies, it's for me, to be strong, to be happy. The way I see numbers now has changed from, I can stop running when I burn 400 calories, 500 calories, maybe 100 more calories, and I can stop. Now I see numbers as, I squatted 20 more pounds today, I did 10 more mountain climbers, I ran 5 minutes longer than usual. I use my numbers to measure my strength and my accomplishments by how I feel, who I am, and what I did, not how I ate.
Oh my god.
Food gives me life. Even when I was restricting, I was a foodie at heart. Food and me, we've had our ups and downs.
Oh my god.
So we've been through a lot of breakups and arguments and trust issues, but in the end, I'm happier with food in my life. We still have many rough days ahead, but every relationship takes work. No relationship is perfect. Some days you're going to want to give up. That's a given. But if you keep trying and working on it, you can grow together, learn to trust each other, learn to listen to one another, and create the best memories, eat the best foods, live a guilt-free life, and see life as more than just numbers. And guys, I don't want to live a life where I have to weigh my peanut butter, where I think twice before having another slice of pizza, one where I have to give up laughing and picnics in order to have the perfect diet. I want to eat and laugh and live and enjoy food, and if that means I gain a bit of weight, so be it. As much as it sucks to hear, our bodies are our bodies for a reason, and in the end, it's your choice, it's your body, it's your life, but this right here is now my life. I'm free, I'm happy, I'm confident, and I'm full, and I never thought I could be. So what I want you guys to get out of this video isn't really about food or calories at all. It's about knowing that if you feel stuck, or sad, or just going through a rough time, you're not alone. You're not going to be there forever. And if I can do it, so can you.
It's so good.
I love you guys. Go eat something yummy, and I'll see you guys next time.